installing the required libraries, let's learn how to extract URLs from web pages. So we have 5 variables. Needless to say, variable names can be anything else. We care more about the code workflow. First, you have to specify the link of the web page you want to scrape. Modify the URL variable, and do not forget the quotes. It is a string variable. Then you need to get the web page, creating a response object. Response equals requests get URL. At this point, if you print response to see its value, the output will be like this. Response 200. 200 means great, your internet connection works, your URL is correct, and you are allowed to access this page. It's just like you can see the web page now in your browser. Next, you need to extract the source code of the web page. Data equals response text. It's like you're using copy-paste to get the source code of the page into memory, but you are rather using a variable. You can print data to see what you have in it. To make it easier to navigate the data structure of the web page, you have to pass the source code to BeautifulSoup to create a BeautifulSoup object for it. Soup equals BeautifulSoup data HTML parser. If you print soup and data, you might not notice a huge difference between the results of both variables. However, you need this step to allow BeautifulSoup to parse HTML tags with the help of the HTML parser. So now you can extract specific HTML tags, such as the tags of links, into a list, so you can loop on them later. To extract all the A tags into a list, use the findAll method. Tags equals soup, findAll, A. Finally, you can extract the links from the attribute href in the A tags by looping on the tags list. In simple terms, you can clean the links from their code. For tag in tags, print tag get href. Extracting links is something you will be doing all the time in web scraping and crawling tasks. Why? Because you need to start by one page, such as a book list, and then open subpages, like the description page of each book, to scrape data from it. Now, here is the code of this lesson. It extracts all the URLs from one web page. Please try to run the code yourself. You can download the code under the References section.